Hey, my name's Ahumada and we're about to have a look at my new setup. Hey guys, I'm currently running a Pilgrim unit frame, 20.25 top tube and a 13.25 rear end. The bars that I'm currently running are Sunday T-bars. I cut them down about ½ an inch.
Make up for our love. I've been thinking about you, about us.
The stem that I'm currently running is a Colony official stem. It's just a front loader, but I've flipped it around to make my bars feel higher. As you guys can probably notice, I like my bars high. The reason why I'm not running a headset top cap is because I've had a couple of troubles with it rubbing on my frame, so I just don't put it on there. Because if it rubs on the frame, then my bars tend to spin real slow. The forks that I'm running at the moment are Fit shivs. They're pretty sweet, they're real nice and light. The front wheel that I'm currently running is a profile totem hub laced to a Alienation Deviant rim with some tie spokes happening. The seat that I'm currently running is a Pilgrim prototype one-piece seat post combo, and it's really good. The brake setup that I'm currently running right now is a Colony lever with snafu cables, Odyssey GTX detangler, and I'm also running some Colony brakes, which seem to be working really well. I'm pumped. I got profile race cranks, Odyssey twisted pedals, a Colony gootless sprocket with a Shadow half-link chain. The back wheel that I got right now is a profile elite hub with a chrome ollie driver and tie bolts laced to a fly front rim. The tyres that I have at the moment are Tioga power block tyres. They're nice and light and just the way we like it. Thanks for checking out my bike check. Be sure to go check out pilgrimbmx.com for all the latest news and updates.